So the Samsung Galaxy A23 is capable of fast charging, and if you find your phone charging slow, it's probably because you have not enabled fast charging. So to do that, go to Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to Battery and Device Care. Tap on that, and then tap on Battery. And then on the battery page, scroll down to More Battery Settings. Tap on that. And here, go ahead and enable fast charging. Now, if you plug in with a fast charger, your phone should charge a little faster. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.